Hello everybody, here comes the spraying train. Let's check it out. We're gonna roll here. He's gonna go across that crossing right there. So that's where they store the tanks of liquid, is in that car. This is the one that sprays. Because there's the spray part. It has a little spin thing on there, check it out. And these tankers here, this is where the liquid's all hanging out right now. It gets dumped from the tanks in the car right up there we just saw, and it goes into these. And it sprays out of that other one. So like I said, some of the tanks of liquid go into that first car and the engine, and then that one there sprays. And then these are the 3 oil tanks that store all the liquid when they spray. Okay, it's not letting me zoom in. Hold on a minute. There we go. That's better. Okay, he's slowing down. I don't know what he's doing. So that's what that's like. I told you all about it while it went by the crossing. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.